Hello, I'm Annabelle Lewis from VV Rouleau. I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and easy lampshade, and it's dead simple because it's with VV Rouleau's amazing feather fringes. And this one we will make out of a very simple plain lampshade. Go and get these lampshades from lots of craft shops. As you can see, this is a lovely fringe with different types of guinea fowl, pheasant feathers and a bit of turkey feather. It's all on an amazing fringe. And I've attached it here, stitched it to the edge or glue it to the edge, and then literally you just go round and round your lampshade. This is a very small little lampshade. It's a barrel lampshade, so these are the easiest to do. If you have a barrel lampshade and it's very straight, these are the easiest ones to do. And there you have your little lampshade, completely covered in feathers. And how fun to have all sorts of different feather fringes. I've used another cape feather fringe here, green ones, partridge feathers that are dyed. We have goose feathers, pheasant feathers, this elaborate hat here. And this one in the top here is a mad one made with feather mounts and painted silk fabric. So that's feather lampshades, very easy to make. We have wonderful fringes on the VV Rouleau website. Thank you for watching.